Yeah, we are here at Helsinki and it's now midsummer, and like we call it in Finland, it's Juhannus, which means midsummer festivals. We are here in Helsinki and today we are heading out to Allas sea pool to see Olavi Uusivirta, Finnish artist, and actually the weather been just great here. Sun is shining, about 21 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty nice. It's been raining for I think almost the whole week in here, so it's been like plus 13 or something like that. So. Oh, yeah, let's go. Week is over. I might think that we are heading to the city. That's it. Just came from the nightlife. 3:30 in the morning. The sun is just rising up. Turn the parking meter because there's only 8 hours free parking. Oh, I'm so tired. Let's get some sleep. We are now in Vierumäki. Never been here before, but there's like a sports center in here, so you have like a golf courses and tennis, paddle, all kind of sport activities to do here, and like Olympic athletes come here as well to practice, and yeah, there's like a big village in here. I think this is only for sports. And yeah, beautiful lakes in here. One over here, pretty nice. And sunny day as well, so really nice. Look at this. Amazing. So nice. Check this out. So one lake in here. Step. And another one here. And actually quite clear waters as well. But yeah, let's continue. I broke the drone again. I think same happened again. Well, the gimbal is fine, but the plastic support that holds the gimbal is broken again. I tried to fly maybe a little bit too narrow area, and I was avoiding hitting me, so then I hit the tree. And now it's broken again. Let's see if I can find all the parts. So only one leg missing. Actually, it's here. So maybe we can. I think we can maybe super glue that together. Because it's super difficult to just replace the one part, because there's the bearing and stuff like that. So yeah. So I talked with my friend about this accident again, and he recommended Biltemas super glue, because you get also the activator, and it's super cheap. 5.5 euros, and you get like a decent amount of glue and also big bottle of the activator. So yeah, let's get that, and hopefully that will fix our drone. I think I'm missing part. Oh yeah, there. All here. Toyota is getting new brakes, and what else to do at holiday than change new brakes for the Toyota. So the brake pads are into bad condition, but they're still stuck. So we're changing all the new discs and all new pads to every corner. And the rear brakes was the worst condition. think now it's better to change all the new discs and pads as well, and check if the guide pins are okay. But these are a little bit stuck. Actually, all of these have been stuck. So just get the pins out, clean them up, new Vaseline inside, and then good to go. And check that all the rubbers are still in good condition, so no moisture can get inside. But these are just pretty much stuck, and just need to check if the piston as well is moving. So I think everything should be okay. There's have been changed already new brake lines, I think last year, so they are in good condition. But these yeah, the discs are worn out, and yeah, let's change them. So this is the last one, front driver's side, and after that we're good to go. This is the common issue. So these pads, they are the correct one, but these slides in here, it's a little bit too tight. There's a little spring which will hold the pad on place. Same here. These are a little bit too narrow, or the pads are a little bit too wide. So I need to file down a little bit from the sides so it will move more freely here in its place. Otherwise it's gonna get stuck. Like I think the last one, pads are good, but the brake disc is terrible condition. So I think the last pad had stuck in here because there are new pins actually. So I just took them out, add some more grease, and these are moving just fine. And I pressed the brake pedal, so I get the piston go up and down a few times. So now it's moving pretty nicely. Before this, I think the issue with the brakes was that the pads and maybe the piston as well was a little bit stuck. Now they're moving really nice, smoothly here, so it's easy to continue the work. And so now the brake should work pretty good, since the parts are moving easily in here, and nothing is stuck in here anymore. Just tied up the bolts and get the tire back, and we should be good to go. I am on my way to buy some Finnish candy, since you cannot get that from Spain, so something different. You don't need so much candy, but still kind of love to have now and then some sweets. So yeah, salty licorice, that's the one. And I don't know, maybe something else, but let's see. Some stores in Spain, they sell candies, Finnish candies as well, but the prices are, I think, maybe double, so why not buy from here? And actually I also bought oatmeal from Finland as well, since yeah, I eat every morning oatmeal, and of course you can get that one as well from Spain, but I haven't found any good brand. So if you know a good oatmeal brand from Spain, let me know in the comments. Let's go top money. just arrived to airport. Lots of canceled flight today. It's the union strike. It's a bit of a bummer. Our flight seems to be in schedule, so no worries with that one. We are waiting our plane. Just been walking around here. We came a little bit earlier because of the strike, but yeah, everything seems to be in order in here, so yeah, cap start boil, heat up, drove about 60 kilometers per hour, so pretty slowly, but we are at home.